Hello, today we'll make dynamite shrimp, which is a quick, fun, and easy recipe, very flavorful. It's PF Chang's secret recipe. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make dynamite shrimp PF Chang style. This is one of our favorite appetizer. Every time we go to PF Chang's, we always order it. And it's very simple and easy. So for this I would need shrimp. These are large shrimps, deveined. Make sure you get the deveined and peeled off. There's no tail attached to it. You would need 1 egg, 1 cup mayonnaise, flour 1 cup, and cornstarch 1/4 cup. I added it here. We're going to add and then we need Sriracha sauce and chili garlic sauce. Either one of them is fine also if you don't have them both. So just some cabbage for garnish as well as green onion chopped. Okay, let's get started. Really simple. Okay, so step 1 is in our flour bowl or plate, I'm just gonna add some pepper, black pepper, and salt to taste. Keep it aside. Cup mayonnaise. We're going to add about a teaspoon of Sriracha sauce and a teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. Mix it well. Okay, next step is whisk 1 egg together. Aside our mixture. Go ahead and take each shrimp. Okay. Put it in the flour mixture. And then dip it in egg. One more time, I'm going to put it again in the flour mixture. And then keep it in a plate and deep fry it. Okay, so this is how it all looks. Now it's ready to be fried. We're going to go ahead and deep fry them. Okay, we're going to go ahead and fry these shrimp for about 5 minutes till they're done. Okay, so this is our fried shrimp. You're going to take a bowl, add all of this shrimp, then take our mixture, mayonnaise and Sriracha, pour it all over this. The best time to eat it is right after this has been mixed, so it doesn't get soggy. It's nice and crispy and tastes amazing. Okay, so this is all nice and mixed now. Put them in our bowls with cabbage. Sprinkle with a few sprigs of green onion. And this is all ready to eat. Enjoy.